What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahena here. Welcome back to the Passion Build YouTube channel. Today we're going to be diving into another buyer's guide, this time around for the second generation SV650 and SV1000. That goes for all models from 2003 to 2009 for the SV650s and 2003 to 2007 for the SV1000s. Now today we're going to be diving into fuel pump assemblies. As you can see right here, I have two different fuel pump assemblies, both of which have some pretty big differences. And I'm going to be talking about all the differences between those two fuel pump assemblies and what options you guys have if you are on the market for a replacement. So, without further ado, let's get today's video started. Alrighty, so as you can see here, we have two different fuel pump assemblies. The one on the left is for the 2003 to 2004 SV650 and SV1000. The one on the right is for the 2005 to 2009 Suzuki SV650 or 2005 to 2007 SV1000. Let's start off with the differences on the left side first. So, this one right here, like I said, is for the 2003 to 2004 models. The part number on this one right here is 1510035F30. The main differences on this is that it has a black body, a white 3-prong connector, and it only has one fuel thermistor on it, which this right here would activate the fuel light at 1 gallon of gas. Now, this one right here, like I said, is for the 2005 and up models. Part number on this one right here is 1510016G00. Main differences on this is that it has a white body, a brown 4-prong connector, and has a dual fuel thermistor on it. Now, this one I believe would activate the fuel pump or the fuel light at 1 gallon of gas, and this one right here would actually cause that light to start blinking at a ½ gallon of gas. So it is a little bit more sophisticated than the older pump assembly. But that right there in a nutshell is basically the major differences between both of these fuel pump assemblies. Let's talk about options that you have when it comes down to replacing these assemblies. So when it comes down to it, if you need to replace your entire fuel pump assembly, I have seen it plenty of times from these parts bikes coming in here with like a super rusted out gas tank that the pump itself, like the entire assembly, was just pretty much useless. It was no good and just needed to be completely replaced. You have a couple options when it comes down to that. One, you can go through a native Suzuki. You could pay upwards of almost $700. I believe it's around like $670 to be exact. For this entire assembly from them, which that's pretty pricey. Other option that you guys have is to go through a used parts dealer like myself, motopartsource.com, shameless plug, where I do commonly have these available. I usually sell ones that are good condition, as in good cosmetics, low mileage, and fully tested for around $300 to $350, depending on, like I said, cosmetics and mileage. And that's significantly cheaper than what you're going to get from the dealer. Now, another alternative that you guys can do if you guys are on the market, and if you guys did not notice already, this is a silver pump and this is a black and red pump. This right here is what an OEM pump looks like, and this right here is a rebuild. So at some point in this bike's lifetime, the fuel pump assembly was rebuilt on it. I'm not too sure what rebuild kit they went with because I don't know which pump this is. I can't really read the brand, but the main go-to rebuild kit for the SV650s is actually the Quantum rebuild kit. Those are black and like a baby blue color, and those can be picked up for around $70 and a little bit up from there. Those assemblies are the go-to kit for the community. I've heard a lot of good things about them. They're very reliable and they're very affordable most of all. So if you guys just need the actual pump and you don't need to replace the entire assembly, that's always another option for you. Like I said, it's very cost effective, very affordable, and I highly recommend the Quantum rebuild kit because I have seen countless SV owners use that pump and have had little to no issues with them at all. So those are your options right there. You can either buy a completely new assembly from Oneida Suzuki, you could buy a used complete assembly from a dealer like myself, or you can go ahead and just rebuild your fuel pump assembly with the Quantum rebuild kit. Or if you want to just cheap out and really cheap out, you can get yourself another fuel pump assembly kit like this one right here, probably some eBay kit, but I highly advise against those because I usually am anti-eBay or anti-aftermarket. But like I said, the Quantum kits, I've heard a lot of good things about those. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys learned something from this video or found it helpful in some way. If you did, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for me. But guys, until the next time, I'll see you then. Peace.